Get excited, everybody. I'm back. I'm back with another stitch pattern video. So today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet mesh M-E-S-H stitch, mesh stitch, double crochet mesh stitch. Alrighty, folks, stay tuned for the video. Get excited, everybody. Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. Alrighty, everybody. So we're going to start off with a chain of 20. So I'm going to do 20 chains. It's 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, everybody, let's get it. Let's go. So after you have your chain, I did a chain of 20. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going down to the 5th chain. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the 5th chain, I'm going to do a double crochet. Like so. After I do that double crochet, I'm going to chain 1. So I'm going to skip the next chain, which is here. I'm skipping this chain, then I'm going to the next one. I'm going to do another double crochet. So basically what you're doing is double crochet, chain 1, skip a space, double crochet, chain 1, skip a space. So that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to chain 1. Okay, so I chain 1. So I'm skipping this space. I'm going into the next chain with a double crochet. I don't know why I'm having a hard time getting into this stitch. There we go. And a double crochet. Double crochet. Like so. Chain 1. Skip that stitch. Go into the next stitch. And then double crochet again. So this is a mesh stitch. You can call it a lace stitch. It's summertime. This would be a good stitch to use for the summertime. Chain 1. Skip this space here. And go into the next stitch and double crochet. Like so. And what we're going to do next, we're going to chain 1, skip a space, double crochet the next space, double crochet. Get excited, everybody. So I hope you guys are enjoying my videos here on the YT. Drop a like on this video if you're enjoying it. So it looks like this so far. And I have a model that's going to be modeling, and you're going to see the stitches, the mesh stitch that I did for her swimsuit, the shorts part of it. And this was the stitch that I used. So it was a double crochet mesh stitch. Get excited, everybody. So I chain 1, I'm skipping this space, I'm going into the next one, do another double crochet, like so. Chain 1. Skip that space, go into the next one, double crochet. Come on, going. Like so. And what we're going to do now, chain 1 again. Chain 1. And this is a very basic stitch. Very basic. And then, it looks like this so far. After you chain, after you do your last stitch, let me do that over. So you're going into your last stitch, you're going to chain 1, double crochet, skip a space and double crochet. So that's what we're going to do. So it's double crochet. So we're in the last stitch, right? So we're going to chain 4 this time. And 3 of the stitches is going to be a double crochet plus a chain 1. Alrighty, folks? So 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Turn your work. So that 4th chain is going to be the stitch that we're going to skip, which is this stitch here, and then we're going into the next stitch right above that double crochet and do another double crochet, like so. I hope that made sense. Okay, so chain 1 after the double crochet, You're going to skip the space here, and then you're going above the double crochet that's underneath like that, and double crochet like so, then chain 1. We're skipping this space here, we're skipping all the space here, and then we're going above the double crochet from the previous row. Then you're going to do a double crochet, chain 1. I'm going to show you again. So we're skipping this space here, we're going into the double crochet from the previous row, and we're going to do a double crochet like so, and it looks like that so far. This is a basic mesh stitch, chain 1. Try it again, skipping this space, going into the double crochet from the previous row and double crochet and chain 1, skipping a space, go into that double crochet space, do another double crochet, chain 1. Okay, skipping this space, going above the double crochet like so, do a double crochet, and we're going to chain 1. So now this chain 4 right here, we're going to skip this chain, and then the third chain, that's where we're going to do our last double crochet. Go in here, Corinne. Get excited, everybody. Like so. And you see how it's starting to look? I'm going to show you guys one more row. Alrighty. So after your last double crochet, you're going to chain how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that count as a double crochet and a chain 1. You're going to flip the work. You're going to do a double crochet, not in this space, but in the double crochet from the previous row, right above it. So it's going to be right there. Right there. Can you guys see? Right there, right there. I'm left-handed, folks. For those of you that don't know and new to my channel, first of all, let me thank all my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. Now make sure you hit the ring-a-ding-a-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding. Guess what? Bell button, so you get notification when I drop a video. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Chain 1 after that double crochet. We're skipping this space, and where we going? Right into here. We're going to do a double crochet right there. Then we're going to chain 1 like so, then double crochet right in here, skip that space, and double crochet right in here. This is very easy. Chain 1, skip a space, go into double crochet space, double crochet, chain 1, skip a space, go into this double right above here, go right here. I hope you guys can see it. Go right here, then double crochet, chain 1. Get excited, everybody. Go right back into that double crochet space, double crochet again. Get excited. Chain 1. Double skip that space, then go into the double crochet space, and do another double crochet, then chain 1. Get excited, and then your last row. This is your space here, your 4th chain, but you're going into the 3rd chain to do what? A double crochet. Get excited, everybody. So that complete the double crochet mesh stitch. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. And let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this double crochet mesh stitch. It's great for the summertime. It can be like a lacy stitch also. As you can see, the model I'm have on like the lacy short swim set. So this would be great for the summertime. Alrighty, folks. So I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Get excited. Looks like that. Isn't that nice? So thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification ringer, ding, 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 bell button, share, and tell everybody you know. Corinne is over here making a mark that cannot be erased. Get excited, everybody. Have a great day, folks. Until next time, folks. Later. Get excited. Double crochet mesh stitch. Later, folks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.